5. In this video, we're going to cover how to use ChatGPT for productivity tips. I'm going to go through the highlights, and then I'm actually going to use ChatGPT to perform these functions. So stay to the end. Here we go. First thing you can do, you can use ChatGPT to create a project checklist. You can use it to create standard operating procedures. You can use ChatGPT to reply to emails. You can use it to create time slots for meetings that you are having, and we'll go through a real-world scenario here in just a second, and we'll create 15-minute time slots with sign-up sheets for a free headshot program. How to summarize an article. You can use ChatGPT to summarize an article. So if you're needing to explain something to a customer, you can put that information, blog, article into ChatGPT and ask it to summarize the article, and then you can share that information with your clients. How to write thank you notes. How to answer technical questions. How to explain a topic. How to get ideas for social media posts and other marketing ideas, and how to write a property description. So I'm going to jump out of this, and we're going to actually go back and do some of these. Let's go back right here. I'm going to actually use our presentation here as the template. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to create a checklist. So I've written out the command suggestion you should use for this example. So I just put in, we're talking to ChatGPT in this example. You are a real estate agent. You are listing a property, and you need to create a checklist for preparing this property for a photo shoot and a video shoot. So I'm going to copy paste this information for this example. I'm going to go over to ChatGPT. I've already created a free account. All I am using and all I have is a free account with ChatGPT. Copy paste my example. You are a real estate agent. You're trying to create a checklist to get the home ready. And this is a checklist that you would share with the homeowner. And now ChatGPT is creating that. It's saying, dear homeowner, here are the things you need to do to get ready for that video shoot and photo shoot. And then you could save this information to an email template in your Google Documents or Word documents, and you could use this email over and over and over to send to your clients. Let's go back and do another one real quick. How to create a standard operating procedure. Let's create a standard operating procedure checklist. So we're going to say to ChatGPT, you are a real estate agent. Create a checklist for onboarding new homeowners to the process of listing their home. So we're asking ChatGPT to create a checklist that we can go over with homeowners. Now, you probably already have a list like this. I'm just using that as an example. Now, ChatGPT has created a list, and this would be something you could use when visiting with your homeowners. Let's do another one right here. Reply to an email. So this is an email I actually got, and it's basically saying there will be a lockbox there. The homeowner will be there. This is a nice property. It's 5 acres. Be sure to use your creativity, Kenneth, to capture all the things that need to be captured in this property. So I replied to the email. I probably was quick. I was probably between photo shoots. I probably said something like, thank you for the update. I will take care of it. But I could have gone into, ChatGPT, I put in here, reply to this email with great enthusiasm and be very nice. And then I've given ChatGPT the email. And then ChatGPT creates an enthusiastic email. We are absolutely thrilled about the opportunity of your high-end property in Nolensville, especially given the unique features, on and on and on. So It's a quick reply to the email. A little bit long, but you could always copy paste this, put it into something like Google Documents and edit the email. Let's keep going. Here we go. How to create, this is really neat. We actually did this yesterday. You're having a free headshot event. We're coming out and we're doing headshots, and you need to create a sign up sheet. So we're going to go over to Chat GPT in your free account. We're going to say you are, and it just helps to tell Chat GPT who you are and what you're doing. You are a real estate agent planning a free headshot event for your office. List out 15-minute time slots for signups starting at 9 o'clock and ending at 3 o'clock. The information you need to collect is time, name, phone number. That should be phone number and email. There you go. And you've got a sign up sheet ready to go for your event. You can take that and put that into Excel. We use Google Sheets and then send it out to your team, and they can pick their time slots and give us their phone number and email so we can get their pictures back to them after the headshot event. Let's do another one right here. Summarize an article. Okay, we've got an article. I've got the article pulled up here, just making sure. This is information. Let's say you need to summarize this blog post so you can share it with coworkers. So you're doing a presentation. You need to share some social media marketing ideas. So you're going to go to the blog post, which I've got right here. You're going to copy paste it. Let me do this first so I get it in order. I'm going to go right here. Summarize this blog post so you can share it with your coworkers. That's what we're going to tell Chat GPT. All right, now I'm going to go. Some say you can take the actual blog post link and just put that in here, and Chat GPT will go out and read it. I find that doesn't work very well. A lot of websites are locked up where it can't read them. So I just copy paste the information here, just the information I want to summarize. Go here, paste it in. So I've already given the command or the suggestion or the request right here. You summarize this blog post so you can share it with coworkers. All right, here's the summary. Now watch this. Let's say you like this, but you'd like it a little bit better. You just hit right here, regenerate. Now it's regenerating it. It's giving a different version. And then you can rate it. All right, let's do another one. Write a thank you note. So you want to write a thank you note to your favorite coffee shop. So let's go over here. I'll copy this because I've already got the command written up. We're going to go right here. Write a thank you note for a positive experience you have had at your favorite coffee shop. The name of the coffee shop is Dutch Brothers in Columbia, Tennessee. The manager's name is Michael. Now you've got a note you could send, you could email, or this could be a review on their Google page review. Let's do a technical question. This one is a common question that we get quite a bit, how to download a zip file, and maybe you're trying to set up a procedure for your office. You know how to do this, but you need someone in the office to do this. You could go right here. You could use our video that we already have on this topic, or you could create a checklist right here, how to download and unzip a zip file, step-by-step guide. And then you could copy paste this information and create a standard operating procedure for your office so that they know how to handle zip files. So that's probably handy. That's answering technical questions. You need to explain a topic to a homeowner. So, and you need to maybe do it as an email. You said something to them at the meeting, but now you need to re-explain that. You are a real estate agent and you need to explain to a first-time home buyer how the interest rate affects the price. That may be a complicated topic, but it's just using an example. Explain how the interest rate affects the home prices. Now we're getting some information here. Again, everything here can be edited. Chat GPT is just pulling this from the internet and coming up a summary. If you don't like what is written here, you can summarize this. You could say, there it is, summarizing. You've got version 1, version 2 with the conclusion. All right, this is probably one you could probably use all the time. These last two. List 100 social media ideas. So you need some blog post ideas, you need some video ideas, you need some Facebook ideas, Instagram ideas, and here it goes. And what I do is I list these out and I print these out and I just keep them close by so that I have ideas all the time for social media posts. Not claiming that I'm great at social media, but if you're needing ideas, there are more ideas out there. It's just sometimes making the time to actually do it. If you need help with social media posting and marketing, let us know. We would be happy to help with that. And here is probably the most used. Let's go down. Use this one today. Write a property description. So I've added in the property address, a little bit of information about the property. It's 12 acres. It's quiet and it's conveniently located. And there's no home. Let me add that in there. Let me go right over here. Copy. Go to Chat GPT. I'm going to add this with no home. So that's got the command. Add that in there. I don't know what it'll do without it. Let's do this. Let me get my commands. Go back to that. Here we go. That's what I needed right there. I want to let Chat GPT, I almost have to talk to it like it's an assistant or like a person. Write a property description for this property and then give it the information. And there you go. Nestled in the heart of Franklin, 12 plus acres, tranquil, convenient, endless possibilities, which it is. It's 12 acres. It's beautiful, kind of in the Leapers Fork, Franklin area, on a hill, on a dead-end street. I think there were 2 houses around the corner, so it looks like it was about 50 acres. It's been divided up 3 different ways, so it's just amazing. Let's rewrite that. Hey, don't like that. We rewrite it. And then you can start wordsmithing it and putting in something that's missing here. And we actually use that in a YouTube video today for a marketing video. So there are several different ways to use Chat GPT. Let us know if we can help. This is Kenneth Purdom with Real Estate Photographer Pro.